you. Hey! Catherine! Over here! You gonna come get Daddy? You gonna come get Daddy's cool toy? You can play with it if you get over here. Mommy says you can play with it. You wanna come get it? Catherine! Where are you at? You gonna come get me? There we go. Come get Daddy's toy. Come get it. Look at that little girl. If you come get it, you can have it. Catherine. Over here. Over here. Come here. Come here. Now you're almost back where you started. Come on. Oh, we're going for the computer, Daddy. And we got Daddy's computer cords.
Oh, crap.
Catherine. Hi. Hi. Then we still have to send this video to grandmas and grandpas. Ooh. Uh-oh, you gonna come get it? Look at you! Just bang it up. Good job.